Hello people, today I'm here with yet another last layer permutation. This is called the T-perm. So what happens in this permutation? You see there is a block here and a headlight here and a block here. So what this permutation does is it switches between these two corners and these two edges. So this is a permutation that you would come across quite often, so you should learn it, and it's quite easy and fast to do. So here is how it's done. RU, R dash, U dash, R dash, F, R2, U dash, R dash, U dash, R, U, R dash, F dash. Here's done. So how to begin it? Right, I'll show it again, and this is how it's done first. Sorry, the key is not that good. So you begin the permutation, you begin applying the algorithm from this way. That is, the headlight should be towards your left. So once more. Thank you. And don't worry about the permutation, it will be in the description.